Welcome to our deep kneading showdown, where we compare two popular Shiatsu neck and back massagers, the Snailax and Nekteck. Both products promise to relieve muscle tension and provide soothing heat. But how do they stack up against each other? In this video, we'll dive into their features, specifications, and what sets them apart. Let's get started. Both the Snailax and Nekteck massagers are priced similarly, with the Snailax at $59 and the Nekteck at $59.99. This negligible difference in price makes both products accessible for those looking for a quality massage experience. When it comes to massage nodes, the Nekteck outshines the Snailax with 16 deep Shiatsu kneading nodes compared to Snailax's 8 nodes. This means the Nekteck may provide a more comprehensive and intense massage experience. The Snailax massager weighs 4 pounds, making it slightly heavier than the Nekteck, which is only 3 pounds. This lighter weight of the Nekteck makes it easier to handle and maneuver, especially during extended use. In conclusion, both the Snailax and Nekteck Shiatsu massagers offer excellent features for muscle relief and relaxation. The choice between them comes down to personal preference regarding weight, node count, and included accessories. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.